Hi everybody, welcome back to 1896 Hedin House. My name is Dan, and today I'd like to show you a little bit about the project I've been working on, stripping out door and window hardware. Now this is an ongoing project, but I've made some good progress bringing back some of the original details that were covered by layers of paint. So let's take a look. I'm being very careful here not to slip and break the window. Look at that crusty old beggar coming off. Well, that's one down. Only 8 more windows to go. Picked up this little fondue pot, Salvation Army or wherever. Crock pot will work too. It's a little dish soap. Doesn't have to be any more complicated than that. Dropping the hardware in there. Doing hinges too. One at a time in many cases. One per door, per window, I mean. Just give that a couple days. See how that looks. Here we are, folks. 3 days later. I meant to do this earlier, but I had to wait for sunlight, whatever, things get in the way. So it seems to be coming off. I got my favorite toothbrush here. Yeah, look at that. Crud's just coming right off. Some of it anyway. A lot of it's still on there. It's going to have to soak for a while yet, I think. Yeah, pretty limited success here. Okay, it's all going back in. Alright, let's give it some more time, see what happens. So I picked up a few extra bits and pads for my Dremel tool from Harbor Freight. Came in handy to get off those extra stubborn flakes of paint.
Someday I'll get a big boy grinder and polishing wheels, but Dremel tool seems to work just fine for these small items. You know, I thought this was just a design, but it looks like the word champion on the top of this. I'm surprised it's taken me this long to notice. CHAMPION. Never heard of champion sash locks. Here's the other piece, the receiver. I think that says the champion. If you know anything about these, leave a comment below, please. These are coming out pretty nice, I think. Show the brass coppery color and yet a little bit of paint. We'll call it patina, right? To show the detail.
I am using a few replacement parts as well to replace the broken or missing parts. So what I did is I got replacement parts for one room. That works out well, so all the windows in the one room match. It's not an exact match or even a close match for what came with the house, but I like them. Would love to replace them with an exact match if I can find them. These champion, the original champion locks, but these are pretty cool too. These are from Van Dyke's Restorers. If anybody's interested, these are the Restorers Victorian sash lock, weathered bronze, and it comes with the hardware, the screws, of course, standard flathead screws. They should all be flathead for Victorian homes. And also got an extra set of screws to replace all the screws and the other locks. That's their number 5/8 inch slotted flathead screw. These replacement screws are about a 1/16 of an inch longer, which is nice. They're grabbing some good wood. These are going to be very secure to the wood anyway. I don't have to worry about break-ins on the second floor. Really a benefit to locking the windows on second floor is simply to hold the sashes together and keep the top sash from sagging down over time.